just need to help him left hand down a bit.
He wants to steer us.
That way, that way.
Turn the wheel.
And more. Keep going left hand down.
That's it.
Spot on actually. A bit more.
Go on.
It's a good job I didn't get in, isn't it? Break! Break!
And there's a picture of a very brave man.
Yeah, it looks a lot less worried now though.
Yeah.
It just doesn't. Clear.
I'll tell you when. Keep going, I'll have to go in a bit more. Stop. That'll do. Wonderful.
Right, jump out.
Chopped away.
Right.
Do these just go under the back?
I'll stick them over in the corner, don't worry.
Blanket on your toolbox for you.
You will officially be the youngest driver of the Speed 12 ever.